Namaskar. PowerPoint slides or multimedia slides are the utmost requirement of today's times. PowerPoint slides enhance the productivity of our presentation, whereas if they are wrong or incorrect or unhealthy, they mar or spoil our presentation. So let us start learning how to prepare effective PowerPoint slides. Let us watch this slide first. In this slide, we observe that all the text is coming in the center, whereas left and right portion is left totally blank, and it creates difficulty to the reader or to your audience as the words are becoming very small. So its effect can be increased if this slide is presented like this. Hence, effect gets enhanced. So rule is PowerPoints should be horizontal rather than they are vertical. All electronic gadgets, TVs, tabs, laptops are horizontal in their screens. Even shape of human eye is also horizontal. Hence, we should follow the rule that slides should be horizontal rather than vertical. In this slide, we observe that the first kind of font is fancy font. So it creates difficulty in reading. And the second one is Times New Roman. Times New Roman is official in nature and people avoid such officialities. So this font, in spite of its clarity, should be avoided. The third one is Comic Sans. It somewhere lacks in seriousness, so such fonts should also be avoided. The last one is the perfect case. It is Arial Black. Hence, Arial Black is recommended or Helvetica font is recommended. Further, bigger fonts are better. And do not use font size lesser than 24 point as it will create difficulty in reading. And finally, do not use more than 4 font types in one slide. In this slide, we observe that overloaded information has been provided over here. And next one is better. And finally, this is the best. So finally, we reach on the conclusion that we are not supposed to overload the presentation. Follow the rule of 6 by 6, means not more than 6 lines in a slide and not more than 6 words in a line. It is better to create new slide for a new idea rather than putting multiple ideas in one slide. Graphs and charts are seldom effective. So in this graph, we observe that it is enhancing complexity rather than productivity in your slide. It may be harmful for a presenter. However, the next type of graph is clearer, and final one is the best. In case graphs or charts are necessary and they are complicated, we should provide notes to our audience before we start presentations so that they are able to get the content from your notes. Also, select a type of graph which is the most clear and the most suitable as per the occasion. And there should be no confusion when we present graphs. Visual aid as a dominating part of PowerPoint presentations. So color present a tremendous role in the effect of the PowerPoint slides. In the first slide here, we observe that the base and the text are of similar color. So your text is hardly legible. In the second one, it is comparatively good. And next one is the best case where we observe the vibrant colors with contrast. Hence, Contrast is our friend. And do not use more than 4 colors in a slide. Plan your slides very carefully and practice to move your slides forward and backward, as the audience during the presentation often asks to view the previous slides. And time up your presentation in such a manner that each slide gets 1 minute. However, as per the necessity of the occasion and as per the necessity of the topic, the time may be increased or decreased. Do not read from your slides. But in day-to-day life, it usually happens that people keep on presenting the slides and keep on reading the text. Do not read text. It shall be read automatically by your audience. Just give explanation of the content being given over the slides. I hope the information provided in this video shall be very useful to you, and you shall also share this information with others. If you have queries or you want to add something, please write in the comment box. Thank you very much.